Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Tech Follower, and today I am here at my uncle's home to help him to replace his dead car battery. It's a 2011 Acura RDX model. So hope it goes well. So our plan is to go to the near auto center store and find the battery and replace it. So hope it goes well and see how it do. Let's see it start or not. No start? It's completely dead? Okay.
जिसने બધું બહાર નીકળી ગયો છે.
It's bad condition.
ખાલી આજ ખોલવાના છે સ્ક્રૂ.
Okay. This is the number, right?
3 years, right? 3 years
Okay.
લખ્યું.
Yeah, 3 year. It's a 3 year Moto Master.
આનું ફિલ્ટર કે આવે મીટર? આનું યાર
Air filter? I think this is the air filter. Oh yeah, this is the air filter, I think.
આવું છે બધાનું કઈ રીતે ખબર પડે? આ ખોલવું પડે?
Yeah, we need to open. Battery.
આ તો રાજે છે ને અમને.
Oh, okay, એની જરૂર નહીં યાર. બેટરી લો ખાલી. Yeah, complete. बैटरी डिपार्टमेंट क्या है फिल बाजू तो
So this is your warranty, okay? So don't lose this.
okay. So now we have new battery. So this battery we are going to install again in Acura. Yeah.
આ કાઢ નાખું છે કાર ચાલશે.
Yeah. This way, yeah.
આ તો ઈજ ઓકે.
Yeah.
તો થોડું ખેંચ જાય. હાજી.
ના તો બરાબર નહીં આવ્યો.
ના એનો તો વાંધો નહીં.
Oh yeah, I think that
આનો તો વાંધો
this is
નહીં.
not original part, that's why maybe.
ના એ તો વાંધો નહીં.
Okay.
આ કેપ કાઢવી પડશે ને.
So first positive. First fit the positive. 1 second. We need to use this.
કેમ થતું?
Now both the screw are secured and fit. Negative and positive both are fine. Now we are just going to start the car and see if it start fine. So car just start fine, so work is done. So we are not now going to install the final screw and close the hood. Okay, that's it. Once it's done, everything's done. Thanks for watching. Bye.